Green juices have become a popular addition to many people's daily routines due to their numerous health benefits. These nutrient-rich beverages typically include leafy greens like cucumbers, spinach, kale, or parsley, along with fruits such as apples, pineapples, or lemons to enhance the flavor. Drinking green juice daily can help provide a concentrated source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. It's a convenient way to increase your intake of vegetables, especially for those who struggle to consume enough greens through meals alone. Incorporating green juice into your daily routine can boost your energy levels and support digestion. The natural enzymes in the greens aid in breaking down food more efficiently, while the fiber content promotes gut health. Moreover, green juices are hydrating, helping you maintain optimal fluid levels throughout the day. When consumed regularly, they may also contribute to glowing skin and improved immunity, thanks to their high levels of vitamin C, beta-carotene, and other essential nutrients. However, balance and moderation are key. While green juices offer many benefits, they should not replace whole fruits and vegetables, as juicing often removes beneficial fiber. Additionally, overloading your juice with sugary fruits or additives can diminish its health advantages. To get the most out of your daily green juice, opt for fresh, organic ingredients and consume it as part of a balanced diet that includes whole foods, healthy fats, and proteins. Please subscribe the channel for interesting health and fitness-related videos. Thanks for watching.